name's Harry Brennan and I'm the manager of the Dubbo Regional Livestock Markets. I've been here for just over a year and a half. We've got a really broad catchment area. We service Western New South Wales, down into South Australia and up into Central Queensland and even up into a bit of Northern Queensland as well. And we do both sheep and cattle at this facility as well as goats. So here at the Dubbo Regional Livestock Markets, we average about 200,000 cattle per annum. One of the biggest issues when I first got here was the rubber matting that we had. It was deteriorating. It was definitely an issue for everyone involved. The staff here slipping and falling as well as animals. One of the key decisions for us in that process was the feedlots and abattoirs were using Numat already. And so it made sense to follow industry because they are the people who are buying here predominantly when it comes to our cattle market. We want to build a reputation where livestock that come through Dubbo are treated with the best animal welfare in mind, and if we can do anything to prevent lameness or slipping and tripping, then we'll do that. The maintenance side of things have been quite simple. Over the year and a half we've probably re-screwed about 10 screws, and that was more due to the concrete that we laid it over being in poor condition. So from a maintenance perspective, really easy to maintain. The square pattern has definitely made our yard washout simpler. So when we initially trialled the matting on our scales, we put it on one set of scales and not the other. There was a significant reduction in animal welfare issues on the new scales versus our old set of scales. I actually graphed it and there's numerical data to prove that we improved animal welfare outcomes by installing this matting. The mats, from our perspective, are paying for themselves every week, just that reduced labour cost with washout. And I suppose the second part is the longevity that I believe we'll get out of them. Obviously we're only a year and a half into that, but we're already getting ready to place our next order for another 1,000 square metres. So it is beneficial for us and we'll continue down this pathway. We've got a big focus on animal welfare at the Dubbo Regional Livestock Markets, and we're really happy to be working with Numat and using their product, but we believe that if we continue using their product and installing more of it across our facility, that we'll continue to provide one of the best facilities in Australia for moving cattle through.